Generative AI music tools are now widely accessible, but they are typically treated as toys. Most users enter a quick prompt and receive a disjointed 30-second novelty track. Producer Michael Ela AI set out to test the ceiling of this technology. The challenge was to build a cohesive 12-track cinematic symphony based entirely on the Book of Psalms. This is a difficult translation. It requires taking ancient texts that explore raw human vulnerability and mapping them to the specific parameters processed by an engine like Suno AI version 5.5. The goal of this project, titled Architecture of the Soul, was to find the limit of prompt engineering, testing if code could replicate the specific emotional nuance found in these ancient texts. An immediate hurdle appeared. Feeding raw historical scripture directly into the AI often triggers copyright guardrails or leads to severe translation confusion within the engine. To bypass this, the producer moved away from literal text and extracted the underlying psychological core of each chapter. This visualization shows that breakdown for track 4, The Fracture, which draws from Psalm 51. The theme of a shattered ego was mapped to a specific frequency of 417 Hz and paired with the sound of a weeping solo cello. For the final track, based on Psalm 150, the theme shifts to cosmic triumph. The data flow reflects this, expanding into a 963 Hz frequency and the sound of a massive 100-voice choir. This methodical mapping process turned abstract philosophy into a precise blueprint the AI could process. Even with a blueprint, the production hit a critical failure during the creation of track 2, The Shadow. When the producer prompted for an epic live maestro concert, the engine misfired, returning audio that was garbled and muddy. This spectrum analyzer shows why that happens. When told to sound epic, the AI fills the entire frequency range. Heavy brass and string sections fight the vocal frequencies for space, completely burying the singer in the mix. Without precise acoustic constraints, asking for scale simply tells the AI to generate maximum noise, which drowns out the lyrics and the human performance. Solving this digital mud problem required a layer of advanced studio-level prompt hacking. The first step was removing spatial trigger words like cathedral or reverb, which often trick the AI into generating artificial, muddy echoes. Then, specific bracketed constraints were added to the prompt. Using commands like bracket dry vocal bracket and bracket vocal focus bracket forced the engine to prioritize clear diction and studio quality audio. These bracketed commands function like a virtual mixing board, pulling down the orchestra's faders so the singer has the space to articulate. This suggests that AI music production is less about asking for grandeur and more about applying enough constraints to carve out space for clarity. This combination of theological analysis and technical prompt hacking resulted in the 12-track album, Architecture of the Soul. The completed album spans a wide sonic range, moving from the acoustic warmth of the opening tracks to a stadium-sized doxology in the finale. This workflow treats generative AI as a highly sensitive instrument. The output quality reflects the technical depth and emotional precision provided by the producer during the prompt phase. Combining ancient literary wisdom with modern studio constraints allows for a finished product that transcends simple algorithmic noise. To hear the results of this sonic expedition, search for Michael Ela AI on Spotify, YouTube, and TikTok to listen to Architecture of the Soul.